Welcome to underneath the Daytona. Since we're underneath the Daytona, we're going to be replacing this fuel filter. And also replacing those clips with straps. Hose clamps instead. We got a Wix unit to replace it with. Brand new Wix unit. Wix part number 33323. And that is a fuel filter for Dodge Chrysler Daytona. This one's a 1988. Let's replace it. 13 millimeter to replace this, to unbolt this fuel filter. 13 millimeter to undo it, and some pliers to get off the old fuel clips. All right, so we got the fuel filter off with a 13 millimeter wrench, and some pliers. We're gonna finish taking these clips off and replace them with band clamps. The hose are not leaking, so we don't have to replace them. The inside of the fuel filter was the output, and the one on the outside of the fuel filter was the input. We'll be replacing it now. Right, we replaced the fuel filter on the 88 Daytona. We replaced the band clamps, replacing the stock pressure clips. Everything's tightened down. New fuel filter, new clamps. Success. That's a Wix filter. Now to move on to the next thing.